Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Gemini has submitted a confidential draft IPO registration with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission for Class A common stock, engaging Goldman Sachs and Citigroup for advisory work. At the same time, Circle shares climbed to a new peak near $124 after its debut on the New York Stock Exchange. Apple, Airbnb, Google, and X are in early discussions to accept USDC stablecoin payments, aiming to slash fees. Analysts foresee stablecoin volumes doubling to $2 trillion by 2028, with industry clarity from the Genius Act. Spot Ethereum ETFs extended a 14-day net inflow run, adding $812 million since May 20th and lifting year-to-date totals above $3 billion. BlackRock iShares. Ethereum Trust accounted for $576 million of those flows, while Fidelity-Wise Origin Ether Fund added $123 million. Institutional advisors and hedge funds have driven inflows north of $1 billion so far this year. The CoinDesk 20 index ticked up 0.7% to roughly 3,010, led by SUI, which gained 4.3%, and Solana, up 3.3%. 13 out of 20 assets rose, though Ethereum fell 2%, and Bitcoin Cash dropped 1.3%. Memecoin trading exploded with $355 million in volume, driven by official Trump at $228 million and Kill Big Beautiful Bill at $131 million, all amid the Trump Musk dispute. That public clash triggered about $1 billion in crypto liquidations as Bitcoin tested supports under 100,000 before rebounding to the low 104,000 range. Analysts note a forming head and shoulders pattern with a neckline near 103,500, while Binance funding rates turned negative, pointing to a potential short squeeze. On-chain data from CryptoQuant showed daily miner inflows above 1 billion, and hash ribbons flagged a buy window. Corporate Bitcoin strategies are heating up. Japanese treasury firm Metaplanet plans to raise $5.3 billion to boost holdings toward 210,000 coins by 2027. Greg Kidd will secure 1,000 coins for No Labs, valuing about $100 million, then take the helm as CEO. Strategy, the X MicroStrategy, ups its preferred stock offering to $1 billion at a 10% yield to bankroll more Bitcoin. In governance news, Yuga Labs proposed dissolving the ApeCoin DAO and shifting approximately $168 million in tokens to ApeCo for a leaner structure and faster execution. This feels like unlocking a secret level in Super Metroid. Crypto advocacy groups, including the Blockchain Association and Coin Center, urged dismissal of the Samurai wallet case, arguing privacy tools are not unlicensed money transmitting. On Capitol Hill House, Democrats held a bonus hearing on the Clarity Act, spotlighting conflicts of interest and gaps in digital assets rules. On the innovation front, Mythical Games will launch FIFA Rivals on iOS and Android on June 12th, featuring Adidas-licensed NFT kits and a training ground for card upgrades. SkyX Network head Ting Peng calls for community DePIN sensor networks and AI to deliver hyperlocal weather alerts in Africa's data deserts. Prediction market Polymarket is integrating with X and xAI's Grok chatbot to embed on-chain event odds directly into social feeds. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready. This podcast is automated by artificial intelligence and is for information purposes only. Nothing stated constitutes legal, tax, investment, or financial advice.